Hey guys! Earlier today I showed you how to make barbecue and butternut squash flatbread. And now it's past 6 p.m. It's time for dinner. We're gonna have jerk chicken thigh stuffed poblanos with pineapple and pickled red onion.
This video is sponsored by Home Chef. All opinions are mine. Home Chef delivers ingredients and recipes for meals you choose on their site. To see other dishes, check out homechef.com. Be sure to use my discount code to get $30 off your order. The link is in the description box.
Before you cook, preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Thoroughly rinse produce and pat dry. Prepare a baking sheet with foil and cooking spray.
Have and peel onion. Thinly slice 1/4 of the onion. Cut the remaining onion into 1/4 inch dice. Have and juice 1 lime. Stem poblano peppers. Have lengthwise, seed, and remove the ribs.
We have pineapple chunks, which we will coarsely chop. Now we core a tomato.
Cut into 1/4 inch dice. Pat chicken thighs dry and season both sides with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of pepper.
Now we're gonna pickle the onion. Combine sliced onion, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt in a mixing bowl.
Stir, then marinate for at least 10 minutes. Stir every couple minutes.
While onion pickles, roast the poblanos. Now I don't have olive oil, so I'm gonna use coconut cooking spray. Massage oil into poblanos, get it more evenly around, then place upside down. Roast in hot oven until tender. See you in 10 minutes. Let's put the timer on so it doesn't burn to a crisp, because in the meantime we're preparing other ingredients. Let's remember to stir this guy up so it marinates evenly. While poblanos roast, cook chicken. Place a medium pan over medium-high heat. Add 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil. Now, there is no olive oil at this accommodation, but I did bring my coconut oil. Add chicken thighs to hot pan and cook until deep brown.
The chicken should reach a minimum of an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook about 3 to 4 minutes per side.
There are no tongs here. I'll just flip it with this guy. Alright, sounds very exciting. I think we gotta turn this over. Alright, the oil's dancing around like pop, pop, pop. I'm gonna make it golden, more deep brown. Now we're going to let the chicken rest for 3 minutes. While chicken rests, keep pan over medium-high heat. Oops, I took it off. Let's put it back on. Add diced onion to hot pan and stir occasionally until tender, 3 to 5 minutes. The golden brown is creeping in. Put this to the side. We're gonna cut the chicken into 1-inch dices. Next step, add diced chicken, pineapple, and jerk sauce to pan and combine thoroughly. And move it off the heat. Next up, we're gonna assemble and roast the poblanos. Flip poblanos to cut side up. Oops, I
Might have overcooked it.
It's supposed to be a little bit crispy and raw still. But it's okay, life goes on. It's still gonna be delicious, I know. Distribute the filling evenly. Each pepper is a little bit different. It's unique, like every person on earth. So some of these guys will need a little bit more filling, others not so much. I feel like I'm doing art. I feel very calm inside right now. Put some more pineapple in this one. This one needs more pineapple too. We want everybody to have enough pineapple and chicken and onion. We might actually use all the filling. Top with cheese. We have a bag of shredded mozzarella. I'm gonna put the cheese on top of each peak as if it's snowing. That way when it melts, it just drips all over. Now we're gonna put this pan back in the oven. Roast until cheese is lightly browned and bubbly, and until the poblanos are fully tender, 6 to 9 minutes. I'm gonna put 6 minutes and then check up on it later. If I put 9 minutes and then it might be burnt. The sooner we check, we'll beat carcinogen at this race. 6 minutes is done. Let's see how the situation is. Oh, it's looking good. Let's take it out. I got too excited and I pulled it out sooner than I should have. I should roast a little bit more until the cheese turns brownish. No worries, we're gonna pop it back in for, let's say, 3 minutes. We garnish. I think I need some practice. Which one shall we eat? Is it too hot to handle, or I think we're good. Let's eat the one closest to me, so there's less spillage during the migration. Meow. It reminds me of Hawaiian pizza because of the cheese and pineapple. Sweet, savory, a little mushy, cheesy, crunchy. Chicken's juicy. Look at that juice falling off. Oh yes. A little string of cheese on there. Let's have another. And just like a taco, when you bite on one end, there could be some spillage going on the other side. This is a particularly fun dish to make because I love stuffing peppers with all kinds of goodies. Hope you guys enjoyed cooking with me and munching. Want to experience Home Chef firsthand? Be sure to click the link in the description box. $30 off for your first order.
Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. For more videos on a weekly basis, check out my other channel, Sweet and Tasty TV, all about food and travel in Korea. Toodles, my noodles.
Something to keep in mind, an ingredient that we're gonna use more than once is onion. So we were not gonna chop it all up in one style. Ooh! Pop, 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 the coconut oil pop. So in between, I was stirring this, I was doing some dishes, and I burned a little bit of the onion. While you're being attentive, it could feel like, oh, it's taking so long to cook, but you know it's done cooking when you have stepped away. Because when you come back, it's burnt.